2020, the year that has made its mark in history. It has been the most difficult year for a lot of us. But despite that, God continues to be the faithful, loving Father that He is. He has continued to show His glory and power in all things. We are truly grateful to Him for so many things. But a few things that I would like to highlight this evening is His hand over the children's work here at Living Word Church. As most of you know, our children's program is called Hooked on Jesus. This year, we've worked harder than we've ever worked before. Since April 2020, we've had a Sunday school lesson go out every Sunday via YouTube. We've also had a special Christmas lesson on Christmas Eve. We also started 2 all children LGs, which meets every Saturdays and Thursdays. So we have the Chembur, Goregaon and the Bandra site meeting every Saturday, and then every alternate Thursday we have a special LG for the children of our Hindi site. Apart from this, to give the parents a midweek breather, we have had art videos going out every Wednesday so children can pick up a new art and craft skill. And those go out every Wednesday and we call them Arty Wednesdays. We are pleased to announce that the Hooked on Jesus YouTube channel now has 100 subscribers. And we have been told that children outside the Living Word Church family are also enjoying and learning from these Sunday school lessons and art videos that are being published. We used to have so many live events for the children when we would meet in person, but we've managed to continue those celebrations online. So we've continued to celebrate birthdays every month and also special events and fun Sundays all online. So we've all adapted. The amazing news that we're so happy about is that we've had a growth in the number of children across sites from around 40 to 50 before the lockdown to around 76 children now since I last counted. All this just wouldn't be possible without the support and the love of a few amazing people. We are grateful for Sydney, who has allowed us the freedom to bless these little ones and also supports and mentors us when needed. We thank God for His wisdom and guidance. We also want to thank God for our tech team, without whom this just wouldn't be possible. So Karishma and team, take a bow. We pray God's choicest blessing over all of you. We know how tough this year was for you all, with work and juggling studying for some of you and also editing so many videos for us, and we just are so appreciative of what you've done this year. Last but not least, we would like to thank God for a stellar Hooked on Jesus team that has worked tirelessly and with 100% dedication through these last 9 months. I have had the privilege of serving alongside some of the most amazing, humble, talented bunch of people who I have come to call family. They are Russell, Sunita, Krishel, Sarifa, Dina, Arun, Catherine, Ida and Betty. You guys are amazing and we love you so very much. We thank you so much, Jesus, from the bottom of our hearts for all that you have done to help us get through this year. We give you all the glory for all that has happened, Lord, and we look forward to all that you have in store for us in 2021. Love you, God. Thank you, Living Word Church, for praying for all of us, and do continue to keep us in prayer for the next year. There is so much that has happened this year, and there are so many people who have served in big ways and in small ways. We have tried our best to mention everyone and the whole team, but in case we have forgotten someone, please forgive us, and God bless you. God bless you in all that you have done for us, and may God continue to bless you in all your talents and all your serving. Thank you.